doing on there? They're making their own exit, their own entrance ramp.
And you'd think that they would have the barriers way back to ease you slowly over it. Unbelievable. Really unbelievable.
Yo! Guess what I got? Guess where I'm going? I'm not the return king. I'm like called the spin display king. I'm also the oil king. Did you know I'm the king? Weather.
It's currently windy and 26 degrees.
Oh yeah, man. That's not the wind chill. The wind chill makes it feel like the teens. I got my light jacket on. I'm walking through town. I gotta go cross town to the end of town. Oh, I could have hopped on the bus. Oh man, I'm getting tired already. And I gotta go further. I wanna get out of the sun. I wanna walk in the shade because it's the winter sun. Blinding me my eyes. I'll make it. I'm glad I don't have to carry it far. Woo, baby, it's blowing out of my hands. PO's in sight. Oh man, and I'm freezing like a popsicle. Ooh, here we are. Oh, they're open. Woohoo, look at that wind blow. I could wear a hat. The funny thing is, same price for both things. So yeah, I was shocked that they both the same price to be shipped. I'm all done. How'd I go? Let's get on going. Go back to the car. I'm gonna walk a little faster. My hands are free. Somebody's gonna be happy with what they get. They'll be there in 3 days by Monday. Wait a second. It's Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. She said Monday, 3 days. I don't get that part. You know what I don't get? When you set the camera to video mode, it was on something, vlog mode. So my shots are probably in H-log. What am I gonna do? Cry over it? I'm walking back pretty fast. Yeah, man, that wind is just kicking, blowing all over the place. Got to be real careful with the statues. They're going into the church, to the parish. I took a shot, a photo. I'm going to see if I could use it for what I need. Yeah, man. Oh, it's beautiful right here. Nice and sunny. The wind's not blowing. Somebody better be a happy camper. Yeah, man. I'm a good person. I like returning things, giving things. It's good karma. Watch out for the slippery rock salt, man. I'm sliding all over the place. See my eyes open? They're closed. Oh. The heat's not on in the car. It's just the wind that's chilling. Freezes you up, man. I tell you. I am going to warm myself up. Well, I did send some things away, and they're going for an excellent cause. And person to be very happy with that. Well, that ends this vlog, and I'm going to probably continue on with my day. And hope you enjoy the rest of the video. Oh, man. I got to go get a Pepsi.
says, please show the... Scared everyone away because of the wind and cold.
Two. Weather.
It's currently windy and 30 degrees.
Oh man, it went up 4 degrees. Hey, what am I doing today? I got snow on the ground. I got... Woo! I called you chicken the last time. I got chicken on the barbecue. And it's finally cooking in this temperature. Oh yeah, that's my day for today. I gotta go and, work on that panel, get it up on the roof. All that snow cleared off. It's amazing what weather would take that snow off. Didn't take off that one, but it took off those. I don't get it. Man, I got some exciting news for you guys, and I want to say thank you. Maybe I'll do it later. Not now. I'll see what I can do. Maybe I'll order something. Maybe I'll just go about what I gotta go do. And on that note, I'm not having chicken. I'm having Olive Garden. I'm having chicken for somebody else. I'm having chicken parmesan. Oh yeah. I think I just got locked out. Have a great day. I can't get in. The door locked. Yes. Later.